poetry. My school name is Joseph High School. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anushka Thapa. I read in class 3A3. I live in Kopan Kharibot. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Saksha Nakal. I study in 2A3. I live in Kopan Kharibot. School name is Joseph High School.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, line please. One line. Okay. Okay, start.
Okay.
India,
Okay.
Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Nepal, India.
Oh my God.
Okay, Saksham out. Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Korea, Nepal, Nepal, India, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, Korea, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, India, Nepal, India. Lo, दीक्षा आउट है, आविष्कार फर्स्ट. ओके.